Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best King mattress is probably one of the most significant investments you'll make for your sleep quality and overall well-being, transforming your bedroom into a sanctuary of comfort and support, especially when considering the convenience and innovation of a bed-in-a-box option that arrives right at your door, ready to expand and provide luxurious rest without the hassle of traditional mattress shopping. Number 5. BEDLORE Waterproof Mattress Protector, King Size. This protector features a classic quilted design that stands out. It locks in filling for even support and helps regulate temperature, making it both stylish and practical. Don't stress over spills or accidents anymore. Its upgraded TPU layer fully blocks liquids, offering reliable protection for your mattress. Experience luxuriously soft, breathable comfort with this protector. Its noiseless fabric ensures peaceful sleep, even when you move. The 360-degree elastic skirt ensures a secure, slip-free fit. It accommodates mattresses up to 18 inches deep, staying in place all night long. Cleaning is a breeze as it's machine washable and dirt-resistant. For best results, simply tumble dry on low, no ironing or bleaching is needed. What we like? This protector offers complete liquid blockage, ensuring your mattress stays pristine. Its ultra-soft, noiseless fabric guarantees undisturbed, comfortable sleep. If you have kids or pets, or simply want to extend your mattress's lifespan with a secure, quiet fit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. EGOHOME MLILY Ego Black 14-inch King Memory Foam Mattress. Introducing the EGOHOME MLILY Ego Black 14-inch King Memory Foam Mattress. This therapeutic medium-firm mattress is designed to alleviate back pain and provide superior comfort for a restful night's sleep. Its innovative cool sensation cover, combined with graphene technology, actively regulates your body temperature. This ensures you stay comfortable and cool throughout the night, without the worry of harmful chemicals. Featuring MLILY's advanced Cooper Gel Aerofusion Memory Foam, it regulates moisture and odor, promoting a healthier sleep environment. The Adaptofoam layer enhances breathability, while the high-density base foam provides essential support for your neck and shoulders. Proudly made in the USA, this mattress is CertiPUR-US certified and endorsed by the International Chiropractors Association. It's crafted without harmful substances, ensuring safety and durability for a healthier sleep life. Your new mattress arrives compressed and rolled in a compact box, making delivery and setup effortless. Simply unbox it and allow 12 hours for it to fully expand to its original, luxurious shape. We stand by the quality of this sleep item with a 10-year limited warranty. If it's defective or damaged upon arrival, our US-based customer support team is ready to assist you. Please note, opened mattresses cannot be returned. What we like? This mattress features advanced cooling graphene and copper gel to regulate temperature and reduce odors. Its therapeutic medium-firm feel is designed to alleviate back pain and provide excellent support. If you struggle with overheating at night or need targeted relief for back discomfort, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Novilla 12-inch King Hybrid Mattress. Experience truly undisturbed sleep. Its individual pocket coils minimize motion transfer, ensuring you and your partner enjoy peaceful nights. This design also balances your body weight, promoting spinal health and relieving pains. Rest easy knowing you're sleeping on CertiPUR-US certified foam. Its 3 layers, including gel memory foam, are natural and eco-friendly. This material helps regulate temperature, prevents moisture, and further reduces motion transfer for a healthier sleep environment. Designed to contour to your body's natural curves, it provides targeted support that relieves pressure points. The quilted, OEKOTX certified cover ensures a breathable and clean sleeping surface. This combination significantly improves your overall sleep quality. Its standard king size makes it compatible with most bed frames. You can even place it directly on the floor. Simply unbox it and allow about 72 hours for full expansion to enjoy its full comfort. Experience the ideal balance of support and comfort with its medium-firm feel. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 100-night sleep trial. Our dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like? This hybrid mattress uses individual pocket coils for superior motion isolation, ensuring you won't disturb your partner. Its design conforms to your body's curves, providing targeted pressure relief and spinal alignment. If you share your bed and value undisturbed sleep with personalized comfort, this mattress is an ideal pick. What people say. Number 2. Hercules Folding Metal Bed Frame Queen. This 14-inch platform is crafted from high-quality steel, offering a solid and durable foundation for your mattress. Its heavy-duty construction ensures lasting stability and support without sagging, eliminating the need for a box spring. Setting it up is incredibly simple, thanks to its easy-to-follow instructions. You can quickly assemble it without any hassle, making installation a breeze. Its foldable design makes it remarkably easy to transport and store when not in use. This is ideal for frequent movers or anyone with limited storage space, offering ultimate convenience. Engineered for a peaceful night's rest, it features noise-free construction. The reinforced leg structure effectively minimizes any squeaks or creaks, ensuring an undisturbed sleep environment. With its stylish, minimalist design, it complements any bedroom decor. Its steel slats provide ample support, extending your mattress's lifespan and ensuring a firm, comfortable surface. What we like? This bed frame boasts a robust steel construction, offering exceptional durability and support without a box spring. Its unique folding design makes it incredibly easy to move and store. If you frequently rearrange your space, need a temporary bed solution, or value a quiet, stable foundation, this frame is a fantastic option. What people say? No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific positive points can be extracted as requested. Number 1. ZINUS 9-inch Metal Smart Box Spring King. Introducing the ZINUS 9-inch Metal Smart Box Spring. This innovative mattress foundation provides exceptional support for your mattress, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. It features a strong steel interior frame, designed for lasting durability. This robust structure ensures a stable and reliable base for years to come. Encased in a soft, knitted polyester cover, it adds a touch of elegance to your bedroom. This cover also helps protect your mattress and the frame. Forget complicated instructions. It comes with all the necessary tools and is engineered for incredibly easy assembly, getting you ready for bed in no time. This foundation arrives in convenient, compact packaging, making it easy to transport and maneuver. Setting it up is a breeze from start to finish. Rest assured with its included 5-year warranty. This commitment guarantees the quality and longevity of your new mattress foundation. What we like? This box spring provides a strong, sturdy metal foundation for your mattress, enhancing its lifespan and support. It arrives in compact packaging and is incredibly easy to assemble with all tools included. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss foundation that's simple to set up and offers long-term stability, this is a great choice. What people say? No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points for buying decisions could be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.